The ancient flat and the rectangular bricks structure of this place located near the rolling is the Lower Dibang Valley district in the Arunachal Pradesh. So this is the rectangular structure, bricks. Don't know what is the purpose of this structure. They might be just created for some stage show. No? This is like a platform. You can see the flat platform on a certain height. From here, यहाँ से गांव वाले सब देख करके यहाँ डांस होगा मस्त और डीजे चलेगा और यहाँ बैठ के ऑडियंस एंजॉय करेंगे. Isn't it? Anil?